a story about a man that he came up with a plan, and he built a shining city on a hill. While the people sighed for him, Christ the Savior of men appeared and bore the Father's will. The structure lay unfinished still. And they say God has a plan for each of us. We'll do it if we have the faith He does. Come nearest and receive gain, He said. We won't leave till the task is done. God has a plan for each of us. Wake up in Zion's morn, a new Jerusalem reborn. I heard another about a boy, the very first to know the joy, who made the choice to build his team and go. He learned the lessons of the field. He was won by all that he revealed. First rule is stay ahead and toe. I saw him great and point above to say, God has a plan for each of us. We'll do it if we have the faith He does. Come, go, you won't regret what's said. It is Dad sang him the love we lullaby. God has a plan for each of us. We'll do it if we have the faith He does. Come on.